Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to access the Porsche Boxster engine. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then raise the rear with a ramp or jack stands. Remove the engine cover clips or bolts using the correct socket size, keeping hardware organized. Wear gloves and eye protection while working, and keep a tray for fasteners. Take photos of connections for easier reassembly and proceed methodically to avoid mistakes. Begin by opening the rear deck and propping it for safe access, then remove any luggage liners or trim obstructing the engine cover. Use a suitable driver to undo visible bolts and retainers, placing them in labeled containers. Gently lift the engine cover straight up to avoid catching wiring or hoses underneath. Inspect gasket edges and clips for damage, replacing any worn parts before reassembly to maintain a tight seal and reduce rattles. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Oala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders well. It's perfect during long garage sessions. I find it useful when I'm under the car and need a quick sip without worrying about spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the cover off, disconnect any electrical connectors and vacuum lines, carefully using release tabs to prevent breaking them. Remove the airbox or intake snorkel if it obstructs access to spark plugs, coils, or timing components, laying parts in order for reinstallation. Use a torque wrench and follow manufacturer torque values for all fasteners, and consult a service manual for sequence steps. Work systematically and check clearances before closing everything up to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.